Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. Open for probe in mining case, Supreme Court did not consider Shah Commission's report. Why MOI activists silent now? Digambar questions in Head On. Case filed by Mines Department against Bagadia Brothers. Unfounded SIT tells court moves to close case filed by Tamankar against Kamath, Rane and Hede. Shripad Naik blames Goa Education Department for Surya Namaskar. Gufab says Surya Namaskar not part of Yoga Day. Opposes move to cancel whole event. Political drama heating up against Union Minister Sushma Swaraj. Opposition demands resignation, demand clear statement from Prime Minister. And 64 clubs eligible to vote in Goa Cricket Association selection on June 28. GCA rejects nomination of 39 clubs for missing the submission deadline. And now the news in detail. In his first detailed interview after stepping down as Goa CM, Digambar Kamath has come out open on all controversies that surrounded his government. While stating that he is open for probe in alleged mining scam, he stressed that the Justice Shah Commission report has not been considered even by the Supreme Court. He opined that closing entire business due to allegations of illegality was not required. Why all the MOI activists are silent? He questioned. He also admitted that he was not taken into confidence during ticket distribution for 2012 Assembly election.
सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो म्हाका दिसता पयलीं शाह कमिशन रिपोर्ट कितल्या जाणांनी खरो वाचला तो हांव नको म्हणजे टू बी फ्रँक तर कितल्या जाणांनी वाचला डिटेलिंग वाचला आनी कितें स्टडी केला तेंय हांव नको कारण प्रत्येक जण आपल्या जाय त्या भशेन अर्थ काडटा आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान जेन्ना तो गेलो तेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो जजमेंट जर सारको डिटेल कोणें वाचलो जाल्यार देन ही वील रियलायज वॉट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज सेड तातूंत भितर थंय सुप्रीम कोर्टान खंय बाबा गव्हर्मेंटाचेर ताशेरे मारल्या गव्हर्मेंटाचेर स्ट्रिक्चर्स मारल्या चीफ मिनिस्टराचे शिक्षण मारल्या जाल्यार तो रिपोर्ट तो जजमेंट वाचतकीर तुमकां कळटलें कोणाक जजमेंट वाचतकीर तो कळटा
तुम्ही म्हणटात की सुप्रीम कोर्टानच आपलो जजमेंट दितना शाह कमिशनाचो रिपोर्ट गृहीत धरलो ना
न्ही ताणें स्पेसिफीक थंय घाला तांणी तो पेज नंबर्स जर पळयत तुमी जाल्यार तुमच्या लक्षांत येतलें तांणी क्लियरली म्हटलां की दे शूड हॅव गिवन एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी वीच हॅज नॉट बीन गिवन
वॉज देर अ मायनिंग स्कॅम ऑर देर वॉज नो स्कॅम
ना हांव पळय विदीन द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ लॉ कोणें ताजें एक्सप्लॉयट कोणें समज ताजें बेनिफीट घेतलां आनी ताज्या कायद्या भितर लूप होल्स काडून कितें केलां जाल्यार दॅट हॅज टू बी एन्क्वायर्ड एंड एक्शन शूड बी टेकन सी खंयच्या इंडस्ट्री भितर आज तूं खंयची इंडस्ट्री घे बिजनेस घे खंय ना जाल्यार खंय आसताच कोण तरी इरेग्युलरिटी करपी इलिगॅलिटी करपी आसताच कितलेय फूल प्रूफ मेथड कर आतां हाजो अर्थ कितें जाता वी डोंट टोटली क्लोज डावन द इंडस्ट्री
दिगंबर कामत पातकी माय भाशेचो घातकी
अशें सगळ्यान दिलें हांव खंय मिटिंगे वतालो किंवा थंय फंक्शनां वतालो थंय भायर झेंडे घेवन येताले आनी आतां ते म्हाका दिसता ते म्हाका हात दाखयतात मेळटात उलयतात म्हजे कडेन म्हणजे तरी आसतना हांवें तांचे कडेन बिटरनेस केलें ना हो म्हजो दुस्मान अशें भावनेन हांवें तांचे कडेन पळयलें ना आज सुद्दां हांव केन्ना मेळ्ळें जाल्यार तांकां हॅलो म्हणटा की तेय म्हाका हॅलो म्हणटा आनी पूण आज कितें जाता इतलें करून लिमाणें कितें मेळिल्लें असो म्हाकाच एक वारी प्रश्न पडटा की इतलें आनी म्हज्या अगेन्स्ट गेट वेल सून म्हणून एक सायट केल्ली आनी वेगळे वेगळे तरेचे हें केलें आतां अल्टिमेटली हॅव दे अचीव्ड एनीथींग अशें म्हणटा हें आतां सुद्दां वेरीफाय केलें आय स्टँड बाय माय डिसिजन
तिकीट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सारकें जालें ना जर मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून तुमकां अधिकार दिल्ले जाल्यार विजय सरदेसाया सारको मनीस काँग्रेसीच्या तिकीटाचेर वेंचणूक लढयत आशिल्लो there were blunders in ticket distribution and even the chief minister was not taken into confidence
म्हजे कडेन अधिकार दिल्ले फुल्ली जाल्यार कदाचित वेगळेच पिक्चर आसता अशें न्ही ते हांव तुका उदाहरण एक फातोडेच्यान दिता न्ही बाकीचे सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे सोडून दी लीव असाइड ऑल द अदर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी न्ही फातोडेचे जर दे आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सेप्ट माय व्यू पॉयंट अशें म्हणटा they didn't accept my viewpoint. I could not question them at that time. I can't question them.
Union Ayush Minister Shripad Naik has blamed Education Department for not understanding Centre's Yoga Day circular as it never carried Surya Namaskar clause. Finally, Education Department has issued circular to schools and has cancelled the entire World Yoga Day event. Shripad Naik has said that department's reasoning behind cancellation is wrong. Arogya Bharati was the organizer for the program. Department retracted its earlier circular following stern opposition to Surya Namaskars by few MLAs and minority leaders.
World Yoga Day is mired in controversy since the Surya Namaskar clause made headlines. State Education Department cancelled World Yoga Day event following Surya Namaskar controversy. Union Minister for Ayush says department failed to understand the nature of program. There was no Surya Namaskar clause. Cancelling Yoga Day event would not be fair on the part of Goa.
गोयच्या एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान सर्क्युलर काडले स्कुलां खातीर कॉमन सूर्य नमस्कार करपाक जाय योग दिसा
हे तांचे कारण तांचे खंय तरी हे सगळे जो प्रोटोकॉल आसा तो आमी ऑलरेडी चीफ सेक्रेटरीक धाडिल्लो आशिल्लो पत्रकार धाडल्यान आनी हे पत्रकारा जवळ एक म्हयनोभर मायज जालो. आतां तांचो गैरसमज कितें जालो खबर ना. तुका ओदो म्हणटे प्रमाणे हातून सूर्य नमस्कार अशें खंयच येना. सूर्य नमस्कार आसूं अशें कांय ना. कोणी जर प्रायवेट संस्था करता आपल्या परीन जाल्यार ताका आमी बंद करूं शकना आनी तो कशा पद्दतीन करचो. परंतु सरकारी जो कार्यक्रम आसा तातूंत सूर्य नमस्कार अजिबात ना पयलीं पासून दिल्लो ना. म्हणून गोंय सरकारान ज्या पद्दतीन निमित्त हें केलां की सूर्य नमस्कार आपण फाटीं घेतला हे सूर्य नमस्कार केंद्राच्या हातूंतल्यान खंयच ना आनी त्यामुळे ते निमित्त चुकीचें आसा. आणि म्हणून परत हांव गोंय सरकारा कडेन चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन विनंती करता त्यामुळे हो वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी कार्यक्रम करप आनी थंय सूर्य नमस्काराचें कंपल्शन ना, थंय प्रार्थनेचें कंपल्शन ना, थंय ओम म्हणपाचें कंपल्शन ना. जाका दिसता ओम म्हणपाचें ना ताणें अल्ला म्हणचो किंवा जेजू म्हणचो. आमचे ताचेर अजिबात खंयच हें ना, ऑब्जेक्शन ना. सगळ्या राज्यांनी सगळ्या डिस्ट्रिक्टांनी कार्यक्रम जातले आनी तातूंत गोंयांत असो कार्यक्रम जालो ना जाल्यार तें बरोबर जावचें ना.
For the first time, World Yoga Day will be celebrated. As a part of celebration, Surya Namaskar was included in the event. State Education Department had planned a special program on World Yoga Day at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, which also included Surya Namaskar. But now it is cancelled. Education Department has issued such a circular to pre-primary, primary, high schools and higher secondaries. Arogya Bharati Goa was supposed to organize this event, but government cancelled the programs following resistance from NGOs, minority leaders and some MLAs. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaokar for Prudent.
Mining SIT has filed closure reports before the court in the cases related to Bagadia Brothers Private Limited and Praful Hede. SIT found that Bagadia Brothers Private Limited had not forged the NOC as alleged by the Mines Department. Closure report in the case against miner Praful Hede has been filed on technical grounds. Activist Sudip Tamankar has alleged that Goa police lacks the will to act against political heavyweights. SIT has filed a closure report before the court in case related with Bagadia Brothers Private Limited. Mining Department in his complaint had alleged that Bagadia Brothers forged a NOC to export iron ore. But after the investigation, SIT has found that NOC is genuine and is issued by Mines Department only. SIT has also mentioned in the closure report that company has paid the assessed royalty on time. In another case related with miner Praful Hede, DIG of SIT KK Vyas explained that Sudip Tamankar had filed a complaint with Anti-Corruption Branch of Goa Police against Hede for violating lease norms. Tamankar had also named former Chief Ministers Digambar Kamath and Pratap Singh Rane in his complaint. Later, special investigating team was constituted to investigate mining scam related cases, and the case based upon Tamankar's complaint was transferred to the SIT. Later, Mines Department also lodged a complaint with the SIT against miner Praful Hede. As per the Mining Act, department is the valid complainant and there cannot be two FIRs for the same offence. Hence, SIT has filed a closure report in the matter based upon the complaint filed by Sudip Tamankar.
माझ्यो ज्यो सगळ्यो कंप्लेनी एंटी करप्शन ब्युरो विजिलन्सा कडेन आसल्यो त्यो काडून SIT कडेन धाडल्यो आनी SITन आतां जी पळय प्रेजेंट कंप्लेंट म्हाजी पळय FIR जाल्ली विजिलन्सान ती क्लोजराक सी समरीन क्लोजराक सेशन कोर्टा कडेन घातलेले आसात.
But beyond technical grounds, Sudip Tamankar alleged that police do not want to act against politically influential persons. Hence, the case is being closed.
माझी कंप्लेंट पळय रजिस्टर जाल्या त्या कंप्लेनीन क्लियरली हांवें सगळे जे पळय पॉलिटिशियन कोण इनवॉल्व आसा तेंची नांवां मेन्शन केल्लेली आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता की SITक गट्स ना की खंयचे पॉलिटिशियन पळय आसा तांकां प्रोसिक्यूट करपाक. तेका लागून SIT खंय तरी आयज पळवाट काडटा हे अत्यंत दुर्दैवी प्रकार आसा. म्हणून म्हाजें ऑलरेडी सुप्रीम कोर्टान पेटिशन आसा पेटिशन घातलेलें आसा तेन्ना हांव त्या पेटिशनान ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी आहा त्यो मेन्शन करतलो.
Without naming any political leader, DIG KK Vyas stated that if SIT finds substantial evidence against any person during investigation, they will be booked without any prejudice. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. Petrol price was hiked by 64 paise per litre on Monday, while diesel price was lowered by ₹1.35 per litre. Fuel prices were last revised in May 15 when petrol price was hiked by ₹3.13 per litre, while diesel was made costlier by ₹2.71 per litre. Now petrol will cost somewhere around ₹64 and diesel around ₹55 to ₹56 per litre. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.